Namaskar. Sometimes the simplest things can make biggest difference. You all want healthy shiny hair, but with pollution, stress, heat and chemical treatment, your hair often becomes dull, dry and weak. Instead of turning to expensive products again and again, let me tell you a remedy which is already there in your kitchen, and that is rice water. An age-old trusted solution that is as simple as it is powerful. So let's see what exactly is rice water and its benefits for hair. Rice water is a starchy liquid left after soaking or boiling rice. Rice water contains many of the vitamins and minerals. These include amino acid, minerals, antioxidant, inositol carbohydrate, which strengthens hair, reduces friction, and protects against damage. Amino acids are essential building blocks that repairs and fortifies hair strands. Vitamins B, C, and E help improve hair elasticity and shine. Because of the presence of these nutrients, rice water may give your hair benefits like smoothness, detangled hair, shinier hair, stronger hair, and even longer hair. Even studies have found that rice water may reduce surface friction and improve hair elasticity. Now let us look at 3 simple ways to prepare rice water at home. First is the quick and easy soaking method. Start by taking half a cup of uncooked rice. Rinse thoroughly well to remove any impurities. Add 2-3 cups of water and let it soak for 30 minutes. Strain the liquid into a clean bowl. Use immediately or store in refrigerator for 1 week. The next method to make rice water is the boiling method. You have to boil half a cup of rice in 2 cups of water. Then strain the starchy water once it cools. Dilute with additional water if needed before use. The third method to make rice water is by fermentation. This is believed to be the most effective version of rice water. Follow the soaking method, but instead of using it immediately, leave the rice water at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours until it ferments. Store in the refrigerator and dilute before applying. Remember, a fermented rice water becomes gel-like, then diluted before use. Undiluted rice water can be too strong and can cause protein buildup. Now let's see how to use rice water as hair mask. Serum and rinses. First we have rice water hair rinse for shine and even strength. What we have to do is, after shampooing, pour rice water over the hair. Leave it for 5-10 minutes and then rinse. You should use lukewarm water. Use 2-3 times a week for best result. Next, let's make a rice water and aloe vera hair masks for hydration and repair. So here you will need half a cup of rice water, 1 tablespoon coconut oil or argan oil, 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel. This you apply from roots to tips. Leave it for 20-30 minutes before rinsing. Third choice for you is rice water spray for daily hair nourishment. For this you will need half cup fermented rice water, half a cup of water, few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil, that is optional. Store in a spray bottle and spray onto hair and scalp as a leave-in treatment. And finally, for best results, use rice water moderately. Overuse may lead to dryness. 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. So use this gift from nature to show a lot of love and care and nurture your hair. Namaskar.